Okay, welcome back. This is part 2 of lesson 7.1. We're going to finish with some of our definitions. Notice on the back page here, next page we have collinear, midpoint formula, and distance formula. I want to add another term that didn't make it onto the front side, and that is skew. A little bit different than parallel. Skew is two lines that do not intersect and are not parallel. So let me try to think of some examples of when that might happen. We'll go over some examples in class of when two lines don't intersect but are also not parallel at the same time. Okay, so let's move on to collinear. So collinear is when we have three or more points that lie in a single straight line. A single straight line. Okay, so there's our definition for collinear. Three or more points lie in a single straight line. Okay. All right. Next we have midpoint formula. This is a formula that's going to help us find the middle of a segment. So there's ways to do this. So we're going to look at this formula. It's going to be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. That's one of the points. And then we have y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And so that would be our formula to find the actual point that is the midpoint of a line. Okay, so again, finds the middle of a segment. Okay. All right. Next we have the distance formula. What the distance formula is going to do is it's going to allow us to find the distance of a segment. And the way that works is we have x2 minus x1, and that value is squared, plus y2 minus y1, and that value is squared, and we take the square root of all of those terms added together. Okay, so again, it's the distance of a segment. That's what the distance formula will allow us to calculate, the distance or length of a segment line. Okay.